Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
Today is mechanics, kinematics, and the problem is again about the river and about the motorboat. And I of course can solve it the standard way. D, V1, V2, V1 plus V2, V1 minus V2, solve the system of equations, but I want to go a little bit off the beaten path and solve it a little bit differently, using different system of coordinate. So this is a dock where action starts, and this is a village, and this distance is D, right? And the boat goes this way, and the river goes this way. So we have V river, and we have U, and let's put this D here. And this D is the total distance, and let's call this distance is D1, right? This is where they meet. And so what I suggest in this problem, that we look on this picture from the perspective of the raft. So the raft is traveling downstream, but if we're sitting in the raft, everything is moving towards us. The shore is moving towards us with the speed v river. Okay? That's kind of obvious. But another obvious thing is that there is a boat, and this boat, if we think sitting in the raft, traveling away with the speed of u, turns back and travels back with the speed u. So it goes and comes back with the same speed. So all we can tell then that whatever time it takes for boat to go and turn, the same time t, which is actually is given to us, it's 1 hour, the same time will it take for the boat to come back. So actually we immediately know from here to that point the time that expired was 2t. So within 2t the raft traveled 2t times. And of course we know this distance. This is d minus d1, because this is total distance and this is d1, and both are given to us. So we immediately can tell that v river equals d minus d1 divided over t. We immediately know v river, right? So shows how fast can we solve it, the problem, if we choose the correct coordinate system. Okay, so we know the speed of the river, it's known now. So how can we find the speed of the boat? Well, this is just even more straightforward. V river plus speed of the boat equals d divided over t, because it said to us that it took boat from A to B t. So d over t is the speed of the boat, and now we're back to the coordinate system that's connected to the shore, connected to the earth, not connected to the moving craft. So we can put it here, we can plug this here, and we can say that u equals d over t minus v river, and we can say u equals d over t minus, and instead of this we put d minus d1 divided over 2t, and we can bring it to the common denominator, and common denominator would be 2t, and we can have 2 here, 2d minus d plus d1, and we can have here d minus d1 divided over 2t. And this is the speed of the boat. And now all we have to do is plug the numbers. And let's plug it here. V river equals d is 20 and d1 is 8 and 2, and as far as I understand t is 1 hour, and we have 12 divided over 2, and we have 6 kilometers an hour. And let's put this number u. We again have, if I'm not mistaken, no, I'm mistaken here, this is plus. 2d minus d would be this. I do a lot of mistakes, and if you're not catching those, too bad. You should follow what I do and don't trust any words that because I can make a typo like here, 2d minus d is d plus d1, right? So d plus d1, so d would be 20, and this would be plus 8, and this would be 2, and this would be 28, this would be 14. So we found everything, and if you want, you can do a verification with those numbers. No problem. So basically, if you know those numbers, you can say, okay, let's check what's going on, and basically in 2 hours traveling 6 kilometers, we cover 2 hours multiplied by 6 would be 12. And indeed, for 2 hours, 12 kilometers, 8 kilometers here, 20 kilometers here. So everything good with the perspective of the raft. Now, of course, we know that if we go 6 kilometers, we go, let's check the board, we go with the boat. The boat goes 6 kilometers an hour river, plus 14 kilometers an hour is the total speed of the boat when we go down, and it should be the distance, which is 20 kilometers, and we go for 1 hour. Yeah, 20 equals 20. So this part is good. Now let's check what's going up when we're going back. We're going back for the same hour. We cover the distance. We go now with the speed 14 minus 6, and we cover the distance of 8 kilometers. And this is d over time. d over time 1, and what it is, it's 8 equals 8. So everything is good. Our solution is validated. We verified the numerical answer too. We can present it to the teacher and make him happy, and most importantly, we can make ourselves happy because we have a very good understanding and a little bit unusual way of solving problem when we change to a different coordinate system. Thank you very much for visiting. Subscribe, bell, click, like, and I see you next time.